Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Catherine, and I am back with another hairstyle video. I'll be showing you all in a minute how I achieved this beautiful bridal hairstyle. If that sounds like what you are interested in, definitely keep on watching. And with that being said, let us dive right in. As usual, my hair was washed and moisturized the previous day. This is a habit I never skip. I always wash my hair a day before or even days before the day I make it. I never do both the same day, okay? So here are the products I'll be using. This is a bun, a donut bun, and an eco styling gel, some bobby pins. Like, you need a lot of these, okay? I have my brush, I have my rectal comb, I have some bands, some rubber band or band, I have my clip and a pair of scissors, and of course my extension. I have 2 packs of this. So begin this hairstyle, I will section out a side pattern like I'm doing now. I will make sure it's straight. Right now it's looking slant, so I'll go ahead and straighten it up and use my edge control to slick out the pattern so it can be more sleek, more visible and all that, okay? And as soon as I'm done, I'll go ahead and just pat like I'm doing right now. So once I've successfully patted it out, I'll go ahead and tie it up with one of those crutches or band I showed you guys earlier. Then set it aside and move on to the next step. Now I'll go ahead and start combing in or combing out the rest of the hair to the back like I'm doing right now. After that, I'll go ahead and pat out some of the hair and clip them on. That way it will be easier for me to gel on the hair. I'll just clip some parts of the hair and, you know, start adding it up back later bit by bit while I apply my gel, so that the gel will go around the hair and your hair will be well slicked, well laid down, if that makes sense, okay? As you can see, I'm combing out my hair as I apply my gel, so to make sure that my hair remains straightened and well laid down, okay? And after applying the amount of gel I think the hair deserved, I went in with my brush to slick in the hair to make sure my hair is well laid down. Like, you can't skip this part. Now it's time to deal with the front we tied up earlier. So I went ahead and removed the band and comb it out. Now I'm trying to lay down the edges with my edge control. Then I'll go in with my brush to make sure everything is sleek, and after that I'll go ahead and start cornrowing. Just a chunky cornrow, nothing much, nothing special, just a cornrow. Now I'll go ahead and bend over the tail of the cornrow back into the cornrow and secure with some bobby pins. Right after I was done with that, I went ahead to tie my hair up with a satin scarf so my hair can be well laid down, and I will leave the scarf on till my hair gets completely dry, or you can even go in with a blow dryer, which I totally forgot. So while waiting for the hair to dry up, I went ahead and start prepping my extension. So I used the band to secure the extension so it can keep the whole extension together, and that way it will be easier for me to braid. Just ignore like you didn't see me holding this down with my teeth. I couldn't get anything around that I will use to hold it down while I braid. So here is the braid. I'll go ahead and remove the crotches, and yeah. After some minutes, I couldn't wait anymore, so I am back to continue off where I stopped. So right now I'm removing my scarf, and after that I'll go on to cut my bun. I will cut this bun with a pair of scissors. Next, this is my extension that I've already secured with my band. I'll go ahead and wrap my hair around, forming a bun, then secure with my scrunchies or band or hairband. Guys, as you can see, my hair didn't completely dry out, which is why you are seeing some hair frizz, but don't worry, we're gonna figure that out later. So this is where I will mount the donut bun you guys saw me cutting earlier. Once I mount it there, I'll go ahead and secure with some bobby pins. I'll make sure to secure only the ends like I'm doing right now, and I won't go close to the middle because we'll be very much putting that into use later on. Next, I'll bring in my extension and mount it on top of the bun while I secure with some bobby pins. Like, guys, you'll be very generous with bobby pins when doing this hairstyle. You will need lots of bobby pins. After that, I will straighten out the hair, making sure everything is in order. Once I'm done covering it up, I will go ahead and tie with my hairband, then start bobbing it under the donut bun. That was the whole reason we didn't secure the middle, so we can bob in the extension. Once I'm done tucking it in, I'll go in and start securing with some bobby pins where need be. So for the front, I'll go ahead and mount the extension you guys saw me braiding earlier and secure with some bobby pins. I'm making sure that the bobby pins is underneath the braid, like I am tacking it underneath so that it will not be showing, looking very obvious that this whole hair was made with bobby pins. Okay, I will secure the braiding down to the back, then tack the leftover into the bun behind. Guys, see how your girl is looking all glammed up and chic? Well, not forgetting to give my hair a finishing touch like accessorizing. So I have this bridal whatever and I'm going to clip on my hair with some bobby pin. I just put the bobby pin on both ends and secure it on my bun. And yeah, look at how this girl is looking. Oh my god. Now I'm feeling like a new bride, like for sure I'm feeling like a new bride. I went ahead to add more accessories on top of this hair. You can't have enough. See how I am feeling myself. You can't have this hairstyle on and not feel yourself, so you can't blame me. So guys, that is the end of this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, share this video, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.